What's up, brother hairs? I'm out here on the 03. I got the Timken Mags on here finally. It took me forever, but I finally put them on here. Let's stop and take a look at them real quick. Hopefully I don't get run over. This looks like a good spot. It's scenic, right? It stinks over here. I think something's dead. But here we go. We got the black wheels on here. Don't look half bad. Seems to be riding pretty good. Haven't got it up over like 50 yet, so I might take it out and get it over there. I'm gonna feel this back rotor and see if it's... Ooh, that's hot. This one ain't hot, but this one is very hot. Yeah, that back rotor is very hot. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I've never touched the rotor while riding, but I feel like I hear it kind of grabbing. I don't know though. But we might as well get it up to speed. Anyway, that's probably a sketch, but whatever. We still gotta send it. Still gotta send it, you know. That car was moving. Also, the seat I put on here, it's very uncomfortable. I thought I was gonna be able to live with it, but I don't know if I'm gonna. Yeah, I think I kind of hear that brake caliper rubbing. It's either gonna eat down the rotor or eat down the pad, I guess. Oh well. Maybe it'll just rub itself in. Because I think I put all the spacers on there right. I don't know why it would be rubbing. But I mean, it's doing alright. Seems like it's tracking pretty straight. I ain't got a lot of wobble. At 50. At least I did the rear alignment right, I think. That's pretty smooth. I noticed that a small nick in the belt, so that's not a good thing either. I'm supposed to take this thing on like a 2.5 hour ride next week. So I don't know if I want to do that still. What do y'all think? Should I send it? I probably will, but I don't know if it's a great idea. We're at 70, tracking straight. No issues. I think it's gonna be alright. I think I need to bleed this rear brake too, because it feels quite spongy. But overall, I'm happy with the Timken Mag Swap. I got them for free with another bike, so I'm not out much money other than a tire. And I forgot I put the Shinko or whatever 777 on the back. They say it's really grippy, so no burnouts on this thing unless I want to tear a bunch of stuff up. But hopefully it will wheelie once I get the motor mount in the front. I'm afraid to break the front mounts on the motor mount, so I don't want to try too hard to wheelie this thing, because I know it will, and it's hard to resist the ideas in my head of trying to wheelie this thing. But there's a little update on the bike. It's rolling, seems to be tracking straight, no issues there. Only issue I had so far with that Vulcan kit, it seems like the back rotor's kind of grabbing. So I guess I'm going to get on the forums and look into that. Look on the Harley stunt page and see if anybody else has the same issue. I still need to fix that hiccup in this bike. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here. I'll see y'all next time. Hopefully I'll have some more content coming that's somewhat interesting. Comment if you got any ideas, and please consider subscribing. I'm almost at 300. Peace.